Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to my page. So today I'll be introducing to you a new sunscreen product from Hello Glow, and this is going to be the Hello Glow Sun Care Stick SPF60 Plus. So this is a 17.5 grams stick, and if you open it, it will look like this. It actually has a protection cover first before your first application, and it's your choice if you'd like to put it back or not. Hello Glow sent me two sun care sticks, SPF60 UVA UVB protection. This is also a moisture booster. This is a 17.5 sun care stick. So I will try to put it on my face. So I'll be trying it on today for the first time. Right now I actually have toner and serum on my face because my face is very dry right now. So if you can see, even if I'm already applying it on my skin, it doesn't have a white cast. So what is a white cast? Kanang magputi-puti gana imong naong. Diba usually when you put on sunscreen, it has a whitish effect on your skin, but this has a crystal clear effect on the skin. If you can see that, wala siya cast. And it's not messy. You just apply it on the skin and then that's it. The normal sunscreen, it's kind of whitish. You put it on both hands and then you have uneven spots on your face with the sunscreen. Unlike this sun care stick, it's actually equal, evenly applied, and you just have to wipe it on your face like that. Okay, so I'm gonna read to you the skin-loving ingredients included in this product. So it has sunflower seed oil, castor seed oil, vitamin E and C, and also Centella asiatica. So it has those 5 skin-loving sorry guys, Kitty is here beside me. So it has 5 skin-loving ingredients with it. And what are the benefits? It has 4 sunscreen filters. It has no white cast, as I showed you a while ago. It's clear when you apply it on the skin. It also blurs out pores. I'm not really sure if you can see the my pores right there, but it's actually putting a coverage on it. I really have a lot of pimples right now on my forehead, so pasensya. And then it has a satin finish but moisturizing as well. Okay, so I can feel the moisturizing effect. It doesn't dry out the skin and serves as a makeup primer. So if you'd like to put makeup on, make sure to put this first before anything else. And it controls oiliness as well. I haven't tested it really because this is my first try in using this sun care stick, but we'll see if it really is controlling the oiliness, because my skin is kinda oily to normal or combination. So this can be bought in Shopee, Lazada, Watson's, TikTok shops, and also leading stores nationwide. I also saw Hello Glow products in Prince Hypermart. So since I'm in Argao, Cebu, there are no malls in Argao, so we only have Watson's, Prince Hypermart, and pharmacies. So I actually saw Hello Glow products being displayed in Prince Hypermart. I think that's going to be it. Thank you so much, Hello Glow and Everbelena Cosmetics, for sending us these products. Thank you so much for the trust. And by the way, the price for each stick is 395 pesos. It's already available in the stores that I mentioned: Shopee, Lazada, TikTok shops, Watson's, and leading stores nationwide. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in my next vlog, lovies. Bye!
Wild child, big brown eyes, voice so sweet it hypnotizes. You drive the boys crazy. Up late each night, drinking wine, options at your every side. It must be amazing. Well, look at you, that crooked smile. Just stay there for a little while, 'cause this won't last. Just drink it up, this night's for you, and everybody knows it too. I raise my